Okay, so before we start, I'll show you how to download the source code and set up that in your local computer. So first of all, go to this link github.com/nishanc/design patterns demo. There, if you click on this code button and it has this download zip option, and you can download it and extract into one of your folders in your local disk. So after doing that, before that, I'll have to mention that all these things that I'm discussing in this are actually mentioned under this repository as well. How to download, where to download, and things like that. You can go through that as well. So after you download the source code, before you are running the demonstration exercises, you should download .NET SDK as well, because to run C# code in your local computer, you have to have this .NET SDK. So because our demonstrations are written in C#, right? So the thing that it's okay if you can if you are using a later version as well, maybe .NET 8 or some other later version. Uh, but currently .NET 7 is the latest stable version. So here under Windows, click on this X80, X64. So if you click on X64, you will be getting a SDK installer. You can double click on it and install, right? So as the code editor, I am using Visual Studio Code. You can use some other source code editor as well. But it is better if you can download this one as well. So after you extracted this source code and open that folder with Visual Studio Code, you will get this interface. You can open a folder. If you open Visual Studio Code and go to File, Open Folder, you can open that extracted folder from this as well. Right. After opening it, go to the program.cs file, and you can see there are commented outlines for each uh, pattern. So if you want to see the demo of the singleton design pattern, you have to comment out this one, which is for dependency uh, injection design pattern. After selecting whatever you want to comment, type you using the keyboard, execute control / and it will comment it out, and go back to the place where you want to uncomment, select all that you want to uncomment, and again execute the same command, control /. So after doing this, and if you have installed the SDK also correctly, you can check if you have installed the SDK for .NET correctly using this command, .NET --list SDKs, and you will see the list of installed SDKs. Right. After that, you can just run execute .NET run. It will compile this program. It will give us the expected output as mentioned here. Right. So for all, for every design patterns that we are discussing, there's a file or other folder in this hierarchy. So for the singleton, the code with respect to implementing singleton design pattern is here. Okay. Okay. So now we can move on to the singleton design patterns, the explanation of singleton design pattern.